There are just some desserts that make you happy the second you see them. Soft sugar cookies, a thick layer of frosting, and a whole lot of sprinkles. They're the kind of treat that brings you right back to birthday parties and holiday cookie trays. I wanted to create a version that had the same feeling, but was simple enough to make any time. No rolling, no cookie cutters, just soft, frosted cookie bars straight from one pan. Start by creaming together your dairy-free butter, sugar, and brown sugar until it's light and fluffy. This is one of the small steps that really makes a difference because it helps create that soft, tender texture we want in a sugar cookie. The thing I love about cookie bars is that they give you all the fun, decorated cookies without the extra work. You still get that soft, buttery sugar cookie texture, but instead of making batch after batch of individual cookies, everything comes together in one pan. And this version is dairy-free, egg-free, and nut-free, so it's a treat that more people can enjoy. For this recipe, applesauce is going to replace the eggs, and it helps keep the bars soft and moist. Add that along with the vanilla and mix until everything comes together. Next, we're going to add in some flour, cornstarch, baking powder, and salt. The cornstarch is a little trick that helps give these a soft texture, almost like the sugar cookies you remember from growing up. Mix this together, then we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of dairy-free milk, and then just mix until the dough forms. If you love simple homemade treats that are easy to share, save this recipe so you have it ready the next time you need a dessert that everyone can enjoy. This is the best part because there's really no fuss. No trying to make every cookie exactly the same size. Just press the dough into a lined pan, smooth it out, and it's ready to bake. You want to pull these out when the edges are just slightly golden and the center is set. The biggest thing is to not overbake them. The magic of these bars is that soft, almost melt in your mouth texture, and they'll continue to set as they cool. While the cookie bars cool, you can make the frosting. It's a simple buttercream that comes together quickly and gives these that classic sugar cookie finish. And let's be honest, the frosting is where the fun really starts. Cream the vegan butter for just a minute all on its own before adding the powdered sugar, vanilla, and pinch of salt. It gives it a softer, creamier texture rather than a dense, heavy buttercream. And once the bars are completely cool, spread on a generous layer of frosting and add the sprinkles. This is the part where they go instantly from a simple cookie bar to something that feels like an occasion. I love recipes like this because they don't need a special occasion. They're perfect for birthdays, holidays, school treats, or honestly, just a fun afternoon when you want something sweet. They're soft and colorful, exactly what a sugar cookie should be. If you make these soft frosted sugar cookie bars, I'd love to know what you think. Save this recipe for later and let me know what occasion you're making them for. I'll see you next time.